very simple St. Brigid's cross.
The rushes sang to me as I knelt by the riverbank. Their slender forms swayed in rhythm with the water's gentle caress. Each blade held a memory, the laughter of children, the whispered prayers of mothers, and the dreams of lovers. I listened intently. My fingers traced the veins of the rushes. My grandmother, wise and weathered, had taught me their language, the language of creation. She spoke of the St. Brigid's cross, a sacred symbol woven from the rushes. It binds the elements, she said, and bridges mortal and divine. One crisp morning, when the frost clung to the grass like forgotten dreams, I ventured into the marsh. There the reeds stood, golden remnants of seasons long past. These were no ordinary reeds. They whispered secrets, their hues fading like memories etched into the land. I gathered them, brittle and fragile, and envisioned a symbol of protection, woven by my ancestors to ward off evil spirits and bless hearth and home. These reeds held more than mere history. They cradled echoes of laughter, tears and prayers. Why weave from the old to bring forth the new? Because life decays, my friend. It crumbles like the reeds, bending under the weight of seasons. Yet within decay lies magic, the alchemy of transformation. I wove the past into the present, not merely to honour tradition, but to defy mortality. Each reed holds a fragment of existence, a child's laughter, a lover's touch, a farewell whispered to the wind. By weaving them anew, I breathe life into memories. Sense its pulse, the heartbeat of eternity. Know within its woven arms, life dances, a fragile, fierce dance that defies decay. Gather the reeds, the remnants of seasons long past, the fragility a testament to endurance that lasts, and begin your sacred task, to weave St. Brigid's cross, a bridge between present and past. Hold the first reed, vertical and steadfast, its fibres like veins, connecting future and past. Fold another, cradling memories within, and place it gently, weaving beginnings. Turn the bundle anti-clockwise, slow, each reed a chapter, a life's ebb and flow. The sun watches, casting warmth upon my brow, as I twist and turn, weaving then and now. The cross takes shape, arms reaching wide, a compass for lost souls, a beacon to guide. These reeds, once vibrant, now brittle and thin, within them, resilience, a dance to begin. Tie the ends, securing memories tight. The hearth awaits, hungry for ancient light. For life decays, as reeds yield to the years, yet within decay blooms hope, banishing fears. A relic of love woven with grace, whispers of names forgotten, dreams unbound. A glimpse souls, ancient and newborn, spiraling, their whispers echoing through cosmic vibrations. And there, suspended between earth and sky, I vowed to weave not just reeds, but destinies, to bridge the mortal and the infinite, cradle memories and threads of galaxies. So I held the cross aloft, its arms and compass, guiding me through the cosmic gloom of existence. And as the galaxy revolved, I wove my prayer. May the St. Brigid's cross forever mirror the heavens, and may we, like reeds, find resilience in the cosmic dance.